So why should you spend time rolling around on the floor? Well, rolling connects your body. It strengthens your nervous system and it really just ties your body together. And honestly, it's a very gentle way to nourish your spine. It nourishes the vertebrae in your spine, but the biggest thing is rolling keeps you connected. Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way to roll that really allows for good rotation, good vestibular activation. In other words, it really uses your head, and well, like most rolls do, it just feels good. So I'll show you how to do it. And you start out, you're just gonna lie on your back. Your knees can be bent, feet on the floor, and we're going to roll our legs to the side, and all we're going to do is we're going to take our head, pick it up, and roll this way. So we're going to keep looking that way, and we kind of prop up on our elbows, grow tall, take our head, look around, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, and then we lower ourselves back down to our forearms and undo it. And we're here again. Now I'm going to look this way. I'm going to rotate my legs this way. I'm going to keep looking this way. I'm going to come up. Now I'm going to start looking this way. I'm going to rotate my legs over. I'm going to keep looking this way and come down. So it kind of looks like this. And obviously you can do it the other way. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to rotate, prop up, keep looking, and then I'm going to turn around, rotate the legs over, keep turning around, lower myself back down, end up back on the floor, turn my head to the right, rotate my legs, keep turning my head to the right, prop up, and then rotate around. So as you can see, there's just a lot of head rotation, which creates a lot of spinal rotation. And this is just a great way to play on the floor. And you're moving in and out also of a shin box. This is a shin box here. Moving in and out of this. And you're controlling your descent to the floor. You're using strength and control and rotation all together. So this is just a good, fun way to spend time rolling around. So give that a shot. I know there's a lot going on there, but you can replay this, you can slow the video down. Basically though, take your eyes and your head and put them where you want to go, and then let your body follow. So we're just teaching the body how to move underneath and with the eyes and the head. All right? So that is a new or a different fun way to roll. Again, it's great. Rolling's so great for your nervous system. It strengthens your nervous system. It ties your body together. It is a gentle way to strengthen your body. And it's a gentle way to restore and nourish your vertebrae. All right? Give that a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.